step-by-step tutorial on how to get a refund for a game on Steam. Here is a step-by-step guide for refunding games on Steam. Number 1. Open Steam. Launch the Steam client on your computer. If you don't have the client installed, you can download it from the Steam website. Number 2. Log in. Log into your Steam account using your username and password. Number 3. Navigate to Help. In the top menu bar, click on Help. From the drop-down menu, select Steam Support. Number 4. Select Purchases. On the Steam Support page, click on Purchases from the list of options. Number 5. Choose the game. You will see a list of present purchases. Find and click on the game you want to refund. If you don't see it immediately, you may need to click on View Complete Purchasing History to see all your purchases. Number 6. Select Refund option. Once you have selected the game, you will be presented with a list of issues related to the purchase. Click on I would like a refund. Number 7. Review refund eligibility. Steam will show you whether your game is eligible for a refund based on their refund policy. Typically, games are eligible if they were purchased within the last 14 days and have less than 2 hours of playtime. Number 8. Request a refund. If your game is eligible, you will see an option to I'd like to request a refund. Click on this option. Before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Number 9. Choose refund destination. Steam will ask you where you want the refund to go. You can choose between your original payment method or your Steam wallet. Number 10. Provide additional information. You might be asked to provide a reason for your refund request. Select the most appropriate reason from the drop-down menu and provide any additional comments if necessary. Number 11. Submit request. Once you have filled out the required information, click on Submit Request. Number 12. Confirmation. You will receive an email confirmation that your refund request has been received. Team support will review your request and typically respond within a few days. Additional tips: check refund status. You can check the status of your refund request by returning to the Steam support page and selecting Purchases. Understand the policy. Steam's refund policy allows for refunds on games that have been played for less than 2 hours and were purchased within the last 14 days. There are some exceptions, so it is good to review the policy on the Steam website. Be honest. When providing a reason for your refund request, be honest about why you are requesting a refund. This can help improve the chances of your request being approved. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully request a refund for a game on Steam. If you encounter any issues, Steam support is available to assist you further. Hey everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, just like in the world of magic and gaming, every great adventure starts with a single step, but the true magic lies in the journey. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. A huge thank you to all our supporters. You are the real MVPs. Your comments, likes, and shares mean the world to me. And to each and every one of you out there, always remember, no matter the challenges you face in life or in game, you have the power to respond and try again. Every failure is a step closer to success. Keep chasing your dreams. Stay positive and never stop believing in yourself. You are capable of amazing things. Until next time, keep gaming and stay magical. Peace out.